Charlie. We're at the unit as per usual, and today I like doing the flippy round. Charlie's finishing this quarter.
The only issues we sort of had is this quarter didn't fit properly at all. When lining up the front and the back, fuel cap wasn't aligned properly. I sort of had to rebend a lot of the metal to try and get the back end correct. And then welded all down there and under sealed. And I'm going to seal down there with some sealant to re-makeshift some of this bottom of the fuel cap. Just because it wasn't right, was it? You weren't happy with it.
I was a little bit fussy.
The angle wasn't you being fussy, you just wanted it right. And
but he's done a very good job now.
And I do agree. So we just sort of needed to level out some of this because the angle was wrong, and now you say you're really happy with it, aren't you?
I think it looks pretty perfect now.
All I'm just doing is pretty much just tidying up the inside and trying to make the inside look pretty much OEM. It's pretty much ready for primer, really.
So that's what Charlie's doing. Meanwhile, I've put another coat on all of my rear arms and subframe, etc. in garish Barbie pink. So they're pretty much nearly all done now, and then I need to start painting all the front stuff. And now I am stripping my front end. So I've taken off crash bar, headlights, and now I'm going to take off a load of that aircon crap because I am aircon deleting, which is going to absolutely be horrible in the summer, but never mind, needs must, pretty engine bay and all that. Oh, does it not? Oh, apparently my aircon doesn't work, so right, I won't cry about it. Yes, we're painting the front end pink.
In the open grille, all you're going to see is blue, and the bumper's going to be blue. You're going to lose sort of the definition of the bumper, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Like, because you're just going to be filling all your grills with blue, you're not really going to see the shape of your bumper.
So yeah, I'm stripping that so that we can get the front end ready for paint, so then it can match my pretty Golf blue arches. That is the colour, Porsche Golf blue, very pretty. Yes, so that's me for the night. Huh? Is it? Oh, apparently I'm painting the front end pink. I lose track. I just forget because, I mean, I did know this and agree to it, but I just forget because we've got silver stuff, black stuff, blue stuff, pink stuff, and I forget. I'm just winging it, basically, is what we're getting at here. Don't pop you here. So that you can get involved in the fun. Building cars is expensive. I'm very lucky to have Charlie, who knows so many things. But I'm trying to learn. I've learned to paint-ish, not like properly body panels, but still. I've learned to use a spray gun, learned to use a sandblaster, learned how an engine works, sort of. I couldn't fix a car, not on my own. There's been a lot of tears as well, hasn't there, Charlie? I just get really frustrated if I can't do something. I'm very hard on myself. I'm my worst critic and I cry. What should I take off next? Do I need to take off my horn? Do I need to take off my bonnet latch? I do, okay. And my horn. I painted over those bolts, so let's hope then. Oh, I forgot I put that there. I'm so sorry. I've got to go in for the spray gun. So in typical me fashion, I have yet again forgot to charge this camera, and I have 4% battery. I'm just going to carry on taking some bits off the front end. To be fair, it's 9 o'clock and I've got work tomorrow, so I won't be here for that much longer anyways. So today, Charlie has finished the rear quarter bodywork. So that is now about to be primed. I have finished stripping the front end, ready for paint. So once Charlie's primed the rear quarter, I'm going to paint that. It's probably already like, I don't even know what time is it. Oh, it's 10:05 and it's a school night, oh dear. Never mind.